Although testosterone levels naturally decline with age, the health and well-being of an individual depend on testosterone. Low testosterone levels negatively impact a person's body composition and lead to weight gain as people age. Reduced sex drive, fewer erections, and infertility are some effects of low testosterone levels on sexual function. According to a recent research of 9,054 healthy men between the ages of 19 and 39, the normal range of testosterone levels is between 264 and 916 nanograms per deciliters. Andrew Huberman, an American neuroscientist, has revealed the ultimate secrets to tripling your testosterone levels naturally: the power of testosterone and dopamine.
There's a very interesting relationship between testosterone and dopamine that speaks directly to what we're talking about now. So dopamine and testosterone are closely related in the pituitary system. And obviously testosterone comes from the adrenals and from the testes.
Andrew Huberman draws our attention to the captivating relationship between testosterone and dopamine, two vital players in our hormonal orchestra. These two hormones are not just neighbors in our body's complex ecosystem. They are closely intertwined, particularly within the pituitary system. While dopamine is a neurotransmitter linked with pleasure and motivation, testosterone plays a pivotal role in making an effort feel good. Testosterone isn't just about promoting physical prowess and defining secondary sexual characteristics. Its primary function is to transform mundane tasks into pleasurable experiences. Essentially, the hormone motivates you to tackle challenges head-on and derive satisfaction from the effort expended. Testosterone matters much. The hormone keeps us engaged, driven, and thriving. However, it has a twist. The precursor to testosterone is cholesterol. Your body has a limited supply of cholesterol. It's a finite resource that must be carefully allocated. Cholesterol can be funneled into the testosterone production or cortisol pathways. The stress hormone is a zero-sum game, so it would be best to choose where your body invests this valuable resource consciously. Your body may choose to produce cortisol over testosterone if you're always anxious, furious, or upset. This could result in low testosterone levels, which is not ideal. Managing stress and prioritizing sleep.
The testosterone molecule is synthesized from cholesterol. Cholesterol can either be made into cortisol, a stress hormone, or testosterone, but not both. So you have a limited amount of cholesterol, and it gets diverted towards stress or towards this pathway where effort feels good. That's the pathway you want to get into. The anger pathway, if we were to just kind of play a mind experiment here, the anger eventually is going to divert more of that cholesterol molecule to cortisol and stress, and you will be slowly depleting testosterone.
Stress and anger, while natural emotional responses, profoundly impact your hormonal balance. Andrew Huberman highlights that they can sabotage your testosterone levels by diverting precious cholesterol away from testosterone production and towards synthesizing cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. This resembles a tug-of-war within your body, where chronic stress and anger can gradually deplete your testosterone reserves. Your body goes through complex processes, such as testosterone production and release, while you are sleeping deeply and continuously. Your hormonal balance is restored during these vital nap hours, ensuring you are awake, rejuvenated, and prepared to face the day. It's also critical to understand that maintaining or raising your testosterone levels can significantly influence how much you love your life's activities. When genuinely engaged and content with your activities, your brain releases dopamine, the pleasure neurotransmitter. As we've learned, dopamine and testosterone are interconnected. By deriving joy from your pursuits, you can stimulate the release of both hormones. The keys to optimizing your testosterone levels are managing stress, prioritizing restful sleep, and finding joy in your daily endeavors. These lifestyle choices promote hormonal balance and enrich your overall quality of life. The role of sexual activity. Sexual activity profoundly influences testosterone levels, and understanding the intricacies of this relationship can provide valuable insights into hormonal health. There are many aspects to the plot of how sex and testosterone interact. It's crucial to remember that there are several stages of sex, and each step may affect testosterone differently. First, having sex itself can cause a significant rise in testosterone levels, especially during the climax and arousal periods. This spike in testosterone results from the body's physiological reaction to sexual stimulation. Second, the desire, anticipation, and pursuit of sex all contribute to the regulation of testosterone. The excitement and motivation associated with seeking sexual encounters can boost testosterone levels. Contrary to widespread assumption, ejaculation, whether from self-stimulation or sex, does not lower testosterone levels. Instead, it is an organic and beneficial aspect of the sexual experience. Ejaculation is a culmination of the pleasurable effort that testosterone encourages, reinforcing the idea that step feels good. Interestingly, research findings reveal distinctions between observing sex and actively participating in it. While individuals who attended sexual content, such as pornography, experienced modest increases of about 10% in testosterone levels, those actively participating in sexual activity had significantly more significant spikes, up to 70%. This highlights the power of engagement and active participation in the context of testosterone regulation. Sex, ejaculation, and abstinence each have their roles in influencing testosterone levels. Understanding this multifaceted relationship can empower individuals to make informed choices regarding their sexual health, emphasizing that both the physical act and the pursuit of sex contribute to maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Breathing and light exposure. Andrew Huberman emphasizes the significance of nose breathing during waking hours. This means that, as much as possible, you should be breathing through your nose, except when necessary for strenuous exercise or talking. The reason behind this recommendation is fascinating. Nasal breathing ensures efficient oxygen intake and helps your body effectively offload carbon dioxide. Moreover, it acts as a guardian against sleep apnea, a condition that, if left unattended, can elevate cortisol levels, a hormone that can disrupt your testosterone and estrogen production. The insights Andrew offers regarding the impact of light exposure on your hormones. Getting bright light exposure in your eyes within the first hour of waking is like setting the stage for a hormonally balanced day. Dopamine is a feel-good molecule that your brain releases in reaction to light, ideally from the sun. It increases alertness while also raising your testosterone levels. There is a drawback though. Nighttime exposure to bright light might throw off your body's natural cycle. This disruption can suppress dopamine release and hurt your testosterone levels. Andrew Huberman's insights underscore the importance of proper breathing and intelligent light exposure in maintaining hormonal balance. These seemingly minor adjustments can substantially impact your overall hormonal health, and they're part of the bigger picture of optimizing testosterone naturally. The power of weight training. Regarding weight training, there's a sweet spot that can significantly increase testosterone levels. Andrew Huberman suggests it's not about pushing yourself to the point of failure, where completing a repetition becomes impossible. Instead, the magic happens when you work at a moderate to high intensity, typically around 70 to 95% of your maximum capacity, or sometimes even pushing yourself to your one repetition maximum. The fantastic benefit of weight training is that it can affect testosterone production in the muscles and brain. It's essential to make an environment that supports your hormonal balance, in addition to focusing on muscular growth. Still, it's crucial to find equilibrium. The effects of weight training on testosterone levels may be negated if you push yourself too hard during your exercises, as this might cause extreme cortisol production. As you know the potential of weight exercise to raise testosterone levels, remember that consistency is necessary. Regular weight training sessions can have a long-lasting difference in the balance of your hormones. Including it into your routine sustainably is just as important as reaping the instant results. Therefore, remember that the path to a healthier, more energized you starts with constant effort and a well-balanced approach to weight training, whether you're working out at home or the gym. Natural supplements for boosting testosterone. Dr. Andrew Huberman also draws our attention to natural supplements for naturally elevating testosterone levels. First, there's vitamin D, a critical player in hormonal balance. Sufficient vitamin D levels have been associated with healthy testosterone production. Whether through sunlight or supplements, ensuring you get enough is paramount. Next, we have zinc, a mineral with a critical role in testosterone synthesis. Maintaining sufficient zinc intake through your diet or supplements is essential for hormonal health. Then comes magnesium, another mineral that participates in numerous biochemical processes related to testosterone regulation. Keeping your magnesium levels optimal can support healthy testosterone levels. While its exact mechanism remains somewhat enigmatic, creatine has shown promise in enhancing testosterone production. It may increase 5-alpha reductase activity or make the testosterone molecule more responsive to specific enzymatic reactions, potentially elevating DHT levels. Tongkata Li deserves attention as well. This herbal supplement has garnered recognition for its potential to naturally increase testosterone levels, potentially promoting hormonal balance and vitality. Lastly, Phaedogia agrestis is an intriguing herbal supplement miming the luteinizing hormone. This hormone, originating from the hypothalamus, stimulates the testes, or ovaries, to produce more testosterone, or estrogen. Combined with Tongkata Li, these herbal supplements can synergistically elevate inactive testosterone levels, potentially providing a noticeable boost. Incorporate these natural supplements and lifestyle changes to enhance your testosterone levels naturally. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel for even more enlightening health and well-being insights. Your feedback means the world to us, so we eagerly await your comments and suggestions below.